Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use sample audio in Rec Room. Adding custom sounds can truly elevate your creations, from unique sound effects to background music. You will begin by pulling out your Maker Pen and spawning a sample audio constant chip. This versatile tool allows you to bring your audio ideas to life, whether you are playing on a virtual reality headset or a screen-based device. Once you have spawned the sample audio constant chip, use your Maker Pen's configure tool on it. This opens the chip settings, where you will find the edit sample option. Here, you can record audio directly using your microphone. Many creators use external soundboard applications, such as SoundPad or VoiceMod, to play pre-recorded music or sound effects into their microphone for higher quality. Each sample can capture up to 300 seconds of audio. To make your recorded audio play, you will need an audio player chip. Spawn one and connect its yellow audio output to the sample audio constant's yellow audio input. Next, wire an event chip, such as a button or a trigger volume, to the audio player's play input. You can then configure the audio player to adjust its volume, playback speed, and whether it loops. Crucially, set the audio channel to music or ambience, never voice, for optimal player control. For audio longer than 300 seconds, consider splitting your track into multiple 28-second segments using external editing software. You can then chain several audio players together, triggering them sequentially to play a continuous piece. Explore the three-dimensional audio settings to create immersive soundscapes, adjusting the roll-off distance so sound fades naturally. Always double-check your microphone input settings within Rec Room's Watch menu to ensure clear recording quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.